Someone's got a new toy. No, not this. I've had this guitar for a while now. No longer new. No, I got a new sound system for the guitar. An amp with effects and stuff. It sounds amazing. Not even one day into it, I'm already in love with how it sounds. It is so good. It's the same people that make the Spark Mini. Look at that. I love minis. Isn't it cute? So, I'm going to sample this on this electric and also this one that we like to call the Crush because she's so beautiful and sounds so amazing. And I would love to show you something on this one, my favorite of all favorite guitars, but apparently she needs some electrical work, so until I get that worked on, I guess I won't do any live feeds with her for now, just for now. So, without further ado, let me show you something on this thing. Oh my god, right? The sound is like, whoa! Okay, let me show you something else. Right? Okay, let me do something much more melodic sounding. Show you something, not that that wasn't already pretty, but something that's pretty in a different context. So right here, I didn't mean for the sampling to be so long, but you can see why I get lost in it. It's unbelievably cool. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, that's enough sampling for now. Much more stuff to come, because I got a bunch of other equipment too. It's all going to come together with new music, compositions. The sound is going to be, God, go back and look at my stuff before now, and the sound, it's alright, but compared to this sounds light years ahead of what I was using before, which my music deserves it. I think my music is pretty damn good. So thank you everyone for your support. Chef's kiss. Musicalorgasms.com, specifically my music website, and orgasmicpathways.com, my overall central hub. Bye for now.